How to optimize mobile performance in Wix Studio. So as of right now, we're on the Wix Studio editor, and let's head over to the actual mobile for this one. So once you have chosen the mobile interface, you should be able to see the resized version of your website. So as you can see, it looks like this, and there are some elements that are hindering some parts of them. So as you can see, the news and updates are overlapping with these symbols right here. So to fix that, we need to click on any part of the page. And then once you have clicked on any part of the page, just head over and then locate the layers option right here onto your screen. Just click on layers and you should be able to see the existing layers for now. So we have done use and updates. You can head over and then just choose and use and updates right here and then position it below. So let's click on that right here and then you can position it below as well. You can also expand your header in order to actually edit out those header that we have. So as you see, this header is actually a sticky header and it will overlap altogether with that one. So in order to optimize it more, you can just resize some things that you think are too big for the mobile interface. Like for example, you can click on any element for this. And once you click on any element, you have the option to resize them. You have in here the size, so just head over and resize them according to your liking in order to fit the mobile interface. So that's how you optimize mobile performance in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.